Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Annabelle coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, January 8th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 43 degrees and windy. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost last night against the Flames with a score of 4-3. Clubs meeting today are: TAP will meet today from 3 to 4 p.m. Rube Goldberg Club, 6th grade, will meet in room 212 at 11:15. PBS ambassadors will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in the music room. Art studio apprentices will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in the art room. Today's announcements are: today is special lunch day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy Qdoba. Today is National Argyle Day. Argyle has been worn by Scottish Highlanders since at least the 17th century. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by room 206. Have a cozy Cocoa Tuesday.